The latest leak surrounding the Google Pixel 9 Pro has stirred excitement among tech enthusiasts, revealing case images that further confirm the smartphone's anticipated pill-shaped camera design. This information comes on the heels of CAD renders that first hinted at the new design direction for Google's flagship series. An industry source has provided these case images, asserting that they represent the final design of the Pixel 9 Pro. The images showcase a horizontal pill-shaped camera module, housing 3 lenses, a sensor, and an LED flash, all neatly arranged on the camera island. The Pixel 9 Pro is expected to deviate from its predecessor's curved aesthetics, opting instead for flat edges that align with the design trends set by the latest Galaxy S24 smartphones and recent iPhone models. This shift towards a flat design is not just a nod to current trends, but also a move that prioritizes visual appeal, even if it means compromising slightly on the ergonomic comfort of holding the device. Notably, the SIM tray is rumored to relocate to the top of the device, with the volume rocker and power buttons situated on the right side. Dimension-wise, the Pixel 9 Pro is speculated to measure 162.7 x 76.6 x 8.5 mm, featuring a 6.5-inch flat display. This marks a slight reduction from the 6.7-inch screen of the Pixel 8 Pro, suggesting a more compact form factor. Under the hood, the device is expected to be powered by the Tensor G4 chip, which incorporates CPU cores based on Samsung's Exynos 2400 SoC and a Google-designed GPU. Looking ahead, the Pixel 10 series is rumored to feature the Tensor G5 chip, reportedly manufactured by TSMC and based on Google's proprietary designs. This leak not only provides a glimpse into the design and hardware specifications of the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro, but also underscores Google's commitment to staying at the forefront of smartphone innovation and design trends. As the launch event traditionally held in October approaches, anticipation continues to build for what could be one of the most visually striking and technologically advanced smartphones in the Pixel lineup.